Hey traders, welcome to today's video on Gann levels and how you can use them to boost your trading success. So, what are Gann levels? They are a form of technical analysis that help traders identify potential support and resistance levels in the market. And the best part, they are based on the theories of the legendary trader W.D. Gann. Now, I know what you are thinking, that sounds great, but how do I actually use these Gann levels in my trading? That's where our platform, QuantPower, comes in. We provide Gann levels for Nifty and Bank Nifty, so you can easily access this valuable analysis tool and incorporate it into your trading strategy. So, let's say you are eyeing an index and the price is approaching a significant Gann level. This could be an opportunity to enter a trade, as the price may bounce off that level. And on the other hand, if the price reaches a significant resistance level indicated by the Gann levels, it may be time to exit your trade. By incorporating Gann levels into your trading strategy, you can make more informed decisions and potentially improve your trading results. And the best part is, you don't have to be a technical analysis expert to use them, just log on to QuantPower and you are good to go. So there you have it, traders. Gann levels made simple with QuantPower. Start taking advantage of this valuable tool and watch your trading success soar. Thanks for watching, traders. Stay tuned for more great trading tips and strategies.